Right now, if you want an AI agent to pull live data from Stripe, update records in HubSpot, and drop notifications into Slack, you are asking it to juggle three entirely different data languages simultaneously. This diagram shows that exact friction, three separate data pipelines struggling to connect to a central node. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, solves this by snapping those disparate streams into a single, smooth conduit. We can see that conduit multiply here. There are already over 2,600 of these standardized servers ready to deploy, giving agents immediate access to established business tools. While model intelligence continues to advance, the immediate hurdle for most developers is access. An agent needs a secure, real-time connection to the outside world before it can actually do its job. Building a basic chatbot takes a few minutes, but securely wiring that bot into enterprise-grade customer databases remains a significant logistical challenge. Developers spend weeks managing Docker containers, wrestling with CORS errors, and patching brittle APIs just to maintain a stable connection. Without a durable bridge to your business data, an AI agent stays stranded, an isolated brain separated from its workflows by an impassable chasm. Vinkius provides that bridge. It acts as a zero-infrastructure gateway designed specifically to handle the connective tissue between AI agents and enterprise tools. You start by searching the platform's directory for the server you need, like Zendesk or Intercom. Clicking Deploy generates a live server-sent events endpoint in under a minute, creating an active data channel for your agent. This happens entirely in the cloud, so you never have to spin up or maintain your own server infrastructure. As this timeline shows, a month-long integration project effectively collapses into a 60-second configuration task. Once the connection is live, the focus shifts to what the agent can execute within Zendesk. It instantly assigns tags, routes tickets to agents, and automates triage workflows. By monitoring Salesforce Service Cloud, the agent tracks resolution times and triggers immediate escalations the moment an SLA breach is detected. It can also cross-reference data sources, pulling historical satisfaction scores from Freshdesk to provide context for its current conversation. These MCP servers transform chatbots into proactive support operators capable of resolving complex, system-spanning tasks. However, granting an autonomous agent unrestricted access to write to your customer databases creates an obvious security risk. The Vinkius Gateway addresses this by sitting between the AI and the data as a mandatory zero-trust governance layer. This membrane enforces role-based access, strictly limiting what the AI can alter. For high-stakes actions, the system pauses the request for human approval. Finally, every approved action creates a stamped audit trail for full enterprise compliance. To deploy AI in a production environment, automation must exist under absolute verifiable governance. This architecture is universally compatible with any MCP client, including tools like Claude Code and Cursor. The ecosystem is vast, with over 2,600 servers, covering far more than just standard support tools. Connections range from e-commerce tools like Shopify to specialized databases from NASA and gaming platforms like Roblox. Vinkius provides the foundational infrastructure needed for autonomous enterprise agents to operate across these fragmented software environments. Developers no longer need to build custom bridges between their agents and the real world. A secure, scalable connection layer is already available. Whether you are a solo developer or an enterprise architect, securing this infrastructure at Vinkius.com is the first step to deploying agents in the real world.